Hey YouTube, Lego Wookie Judo 4 here, coming at you with a review of my custom built Lego helicopter gunship thing. Why do I never come up with a name of it before I start making these videos? I'm stupid. So this is pretty much just a custom gunship helicopter thing. I had to take apart my Republic gunship to make it, but oh well. And I took the front end off of the Quinjet that I have, and I think it looks pretty cool on there. So that's just the front of the Quinjet, and then we've got second cockpit for the guns and stuff. Focus! I thought this was automatic focus. There we go. I'll take my own sweet time focus. That's one of the oldest Lego pieces that I have. Huh. So here we've got some gun turrets that will swivel in and out, and they move. This thing is huge. Cause I mean, like, that's my hand. Let me get a figure. Here we go. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. There's another turret on the other side too. I don't know. There's not much else left for this. Got some bad news also. Some more. My good computer is blue screening every time it boots up. So now I'm going to be running everything that I do on Windows XP. Well, my personal computer anyway is on Windows XP from now on. Sad, sad little computer. Well, that's my good one, actually. It's not my bad one. So yeah, I pretty much just decided to build this because I've been playing Command & Conquer recently. A lot, actually, recently. So yeah, subscribe. Hey YouTube, Lego Wookie Judo 4 here, coming at you with a review of my rocket racks. So yeah, pretty much the idea was to have some rocket launcher racks inside of a structure or vehicle. So I came up with the idea, and I put a little hatch, and the rockets just pull out, and they can't pull out any farther than that. So I'm pretty much just gonna incorporate that into my version 2 Typhoon helicopter. So I got it to not move out any farther by using a Technic bar. And then putting some notches here and there, so that when it pulls out, it'll catch on those, and then it can't move out any farther. So that's pretty much it for this. Hey YouTube, Lego Wicked Judo 4 here, coming at you with a review of my custom built Lego helicopter transport. So this is what I built after I broke down my custom built Republic gunship, stealth Republic gunship, that is. So, pretty much this is the top off of the old Coast Guard helicopter. The front cockpit off of the Quinjet from the Avengers. The second cockpit, oh gosh, fits one figure and it's got some controls in there. I should have detached that before I started making this video. Some of the features include some rocket racks that come out of the sides. I think I will put a video up of how I built these at the end of this video. I think it would just be easier. So it fits 6 rockets all in all, and I can just go back inside and have the little flaps close down on them. Then on either side you've got a opening with a little machine gun turret. And then if you take this off, then I take the top off, then it seats 4 guys up here, and they can crawl down through here. So the rest of the inside is just pretty much all open. So and then back here you've got 2 jet engine stabilizers. This thing has only been sitting around for like 3 days and it's already got dust on it. What is that? So yeah, that's about it for the custom built Lego Typhoon transport helicopter. Check back for a review of my custom built Lego, I forgot what I was calling it, but it's an attack helicopter. Hey YouTube, Lego Wicked Judo 4 here, coming at you with a review of my custom built Phantom attack helicopter. So this is pretty much an escort helicopter that I built to go with the Typhoon transport helicopter. It's got 4 machine guns, 6 rockets, it's got kind of a futuristic kind of look to it, which I thought was really cool. It only took me like 20 minutes to build, so that was really cool. There's just a size comparison. So it can only fit 1 guy in it. So yeah, that's about it for this. yeah, that's about it. So if you want to, like, comment, subscribe.